Hey YouTube, Stretchline Bait and Tackle, aka Old Man in a Kayak, and I've got another fishing mystery box to open up here. So I just got this in today, and it looks like it was shipped from Walmart. I didn't realize that when I ordered it, but that's okay. Get this thing open up and see what we got. This one is kind of similar to the other one I opened. This is a little different here. This is the bass fishing kit. The other one was a clearance item, and it ended up being a panfish trout box. It wasn't marked on the outside, but that's what it was, and it really wasn't that good of a deal. So we are going to get this open and... All right, and I don't recall what I paid for this. I'll have to look that up, and I will put that in there. I'll post it up here on the screen so you'll be able to see it. Okay, let's see what we got here. This is from the Ketch Company Mystery Tackle Box Bass Fishing Kit. All right, it says about, there it is, 5 to 6 items with a $25 value, and I'm wanting to think I paid under 20 for this. I think it might have been closer to 15, but we shall see. And this explains why the last one I reviewed didn't say what it was and why it was on clearance, because the outer package was missing, and that's why all I got was this box right here. This is the exact same box that the other one came in. The difference is the overpacking, which the $6 one I bought at the Walmart clearance did not have the overpack on there, so that explains the difference there and why the other one wasn't marked. Alrighty, let's get this thing opened up here and see what we got here. Alright, I always have a sticker in here, so there's my little sticker. Every one of those that's had a sticker in there. All right, Daiichi hooks, couple of worm hooks here, 2 3/0 worm hooks here. These are red hooks. And I haven't used Daiichi hooks in a long time. I usually use Gamakatsu. But anyway, if I remember right, these weren't a bad brand, but like I said, I haven't used them in years. So, all right, well, here we go. Here's a Googan Squad clutch. This is like a rattle trap, and it's in the crawfish coloring, so that's a pretty decent deal here. This is something that I will definitely use. All right, I got my brochure and some more tips and tricks. Here we go. How about that? How to go out and catch fish. Let's see what we got in here. We've got spinning versus casting, why, when, and where. Quick little overview here. And then how to tie a Palomar knot. And I know there are some people that do not know how to use it or when to use it. And Palomar knots are, I use the improved cinch, or I use the Palomars, the 2 knots that I usually use, depending on what I'm tying. And then, here we go. Where do anglers poop? Okay. I guess that's something we could always come and use one time or another. But, all right. I've got some Excite. See, are these paddle tail? Yeah, these are paddle tail. These the high floater. This is in white, pearl white. Smart baits. I have got. All right, these are some creature baits here. It says color changing baits. I'm not familiar with them. Activated by water temperature. They change colors depending on the temperature, so anyway, I'll give this a shot, and I believe this is the type that's in there in the package right now. That's what it looks like, so we'll give that a shot one day. Alright, and we got some more worms here. What do we got here? Biospawn Plasma Tail with plasma scent. These are a kind of a straight looking worm there. You know what, I may have to pull one out here so you can get a look. These are a little bit different shape than the normal worm that I use. Not saying that I won't use it or it won't work, but you got a long tail here with a ball. I mean, like it tapers down and then tapers back out at the tail. And here's the head. So I'm assuming that you could probably rig this Texas style, or I wouldn't rig it wacky, but I'm thinking Texas or Carolina or something like that. So anyway, these are dark. These are black. So I don't have a color. Nope, no color listed, but it looks like a black almost. It's a really super dark green, almost black. So, but anyway, that's something I do go through a lot of worms. I use a lot of worms. Worms and crankbaits are my two things. And okay, so that's the end of that box here. So we will flip this back up here, and so we got the Plasma Trail worm pack, the Smart Baits creature bait, the Excite Baits paddle tail, a Googan Squad crank, the two little instruction booky things here, a sticker, and then two hooks. All right, is this a deal or a steal? Now I'm going to do some rough calculations in my head, and let's say I'm going to round up, and I'm going to say we're looking at $6 here. I don't know about the Daiichi hooks. I'm going to say, let's just say $1. It might be $2, but so we're looking at $7, and then I'm going to say $3 a piece on these baits here. So that's 9 and 7. That's $16. So I think it's about $16 worth of stuff in here. Might be $18 worth. They say it's a $25 value. I don't see the $25 unless these are really exorbitantly priced, and I'm not sure. I'll see if I can look that up. But okay, well, another mystery box and so forth. This is the second tackle box from the mystery box from the Catch Company, and I personally, I don't think this is a good deal here. Not for the price, and I'll like I say, I'll throw the price up there on the screen later. But I don't think this is good. The other one definitely wasn't a good deal on money value. So I have 2 more mystery boxes coming in, and we'll see what's in there and see if there's a deal or not. And so this one here, this is personally, I think you could go buy this stuff and spend less and get what you really wanted. So all right, hey, well, Stretch Line Bait and Tackle here, just doing another little review for you. Another mystery box. I think I have 2 more mystery boxes coming in, different brands. We'll open them up. We see what we got in them. Let you know if it's a steal, a deal, or if they got me. All right, hey, well, everybody stay safe on the water. Wear your PFD. Always practice safety out there in your yaks. Go out there, have fun, but come home to go do it again another day. So, all right, and remember, pick up your trash, pick up other people's trash, and yak all that trash out. So, all right, have a great day.